Alright, we got the Anycubic Cobra going. I love this printer. And yes, I know my filament holder, that's where I like it. This thing prints flawlessly. Printing a little wire separator. Showed you guys the other day. Here's my Ender 3 all modded up. I love this Sat Santa. It cools so good. Check it out. Done in Pet G. Here's another beast. Let's fire her up. Alrighty. That's the QQS Pro. And we got the Ender 3 Pro. I did this one all up too. We got the Sprite Direct Drive. Then there's another beast. There's the SR. FL Sun SR Racer. That's another mean machine. Then over here, we got the Ender 3 S1. It's actually printing TPU. Hold on a minute, let me slow this down a bit. This is printing RC body straps. Alright, YouTube, stay tuned. My print lab is a little destroyed right now. I'm getting all the filament and everything organized. We will be back. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. Or if you guys got any tips, tricks, any help. Also, if I can help anybody with the 3D printers that needs a hand, please let me know. Alright, Jersey 3D Print, I'm out of here.